777 All Purpose Degreaser is a new revolutionary product designed in 2020 to fill the market space for mining, oil and gas applications, and any heavy industrial equipment workshop where the client wants an economy-based, high-quality degreaser to cover a huge variety of applications, from machinery cleaning to floor scrubbing, and have exceptional results in wastewater systems. 777 All Purpose Degreaser is readily biodegradable and contains no ozone-depleting chemicals or hazardous pollutants, ticking off all the boxes in eco-friendliness. Clients have said that failed oil-water separators have come to life with this product. A truck rental and maintenance company encountered issues with previous degreasing product, which emulsified the oil-water mix, making it terribly difficult to separate and causing waste issues. When the company used 777 All Purpose Degreaser, the oil did not emulsify when running through the centrifugal pumps. This significantly increased the production of the oleology plant and reduced maintenance and operation costs of the plant.